Hello everyone, today you will learn how to solve the equation. The first equation is m minus 7 equals 5. So what you want to do is you want to solve for m. By doing that, we will add 7 to both sides. Negative 7 plus 7 equals to 0 because they are additive inverse. So that's cancel out. 5 plus 7 is 12. And that is our answer. Let's check to see if it's correct. So m minus 7 equals 5. That's the original equation. 12 minus 7, is it equal to 5? So 12 minus 7 is 5. 5 equals 5. So yes, the answer is correct. Our second equation is m plus 11 equals 12. We want to solve for m. Subtract 11 from both sides. Positive 11 and negative 11 equals to 0 because they are additive inverse. So this cancel out. M equals 1. And that is our answer. Let's check. M plus 11 equals 12. 1 plus 11, is it equals to 12? 12 equals 12. So yes, our answer is correct. Our third equation is m divides 8 equals 8. We want to solve for m, so multiply both sides by 8. Since 8 divided 8 equals 1, we are left with just m equals 8 times 8 is 64. And that is our answer. Let's check to see if the answer is correct. So m divided 8 equals 8. 64 divides 8. Is it equal to 8? So 8 equals 8. Yes, the answer is correct. Our last equation is 30 times m equals 20. We also want to solve for m, so divide both sides by 30. Since 30 divided 30 equals 1, we have m on this side equals 20 over 30. We can simplify 20 over 30 by canceling the common factor of 10, which gives us 2 over 3. Let's check our answer. 30m equal 20. 30 times 2 over 3 equals 20. You can do 30 times 2 or 30 go with 3. You can cancel that way too. But I will do 30 times 2 is 60 over 3 for you to see easier equals to 20. So is it 20 equal to 20? Yes. So that is our answer. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and check out my other videos. I'll see you in the next lesson.